our content for today is about barley. Barley, barley, barley is good for business and healthy also. Health is wealth. Kaya siguraduhin nyo na wala kayong mamimiss. Tara na at magpayaman. Barley guys is good for business. Not only for business, good for health, nutrients. Barley is the old grass full of nutrients from vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin B6 for the brain, vitamin C, vitamin D, folic for the brain, rich in fibers for the heart, and manganese, and also for have niacin for the nervous system, antioxidant, detox, lahat-lahat na yata guys, one for all. So barley na. At napapatunayan ko dahil ako mismo ay 1 month nang nagdi-drink ng barley. So what are you waiting for? Barley is rich vitamins. Lahat ng sakit kaya niyang gamutin. At ito pa ang maganda. Pwede mo siyang inegosyo. Ang binta ko dito is 110. So, kumikita na kayo, healthy na kayo, bumabata pa kayo, at yumayaman pa kayo. So, what are you waiting for? Barley na guys, wag na kayong hesitate. Barley is good for the body. So, come on, let's go. Napapatunayan ko po na barley is good for the body. Like me, my blood pressure now is normal, 120 over 80. Because before last month, my BP is 137 over 97. And also, my melasma on my face now is lightened na. And I am energetic. So, what are you waiting for? I am writing this so that I can... Okay, the question is, it is good barley every day? Yes. A big yes. Barley ay maganda po for every day. Nice dose of vitamins and minerals. Niacin for the nervous, digestive system. Vitamin B, food and energy. Health for the skin. Vitamin B. Vitamin B6 for the brain. Detox and antioxidant. Rich in fibers. Ito po'y the oldest barley grass. Mesopotamia, land of the two rivers before in the Imperatus Tigris. Ang pangalan po niya before is Hordium Morinum Cretaceum Litorenium. This is called before. So, come on na guys. Let's have our business. Barley. And malay mo, yayaman tayo sa barley. Maganda pa. Healthy pa. Safety pa tayo for the cancerous. Dahil kaya niyang gamutin ang cancer, guys. So, come on. Let's go. Okay? Thanks for watching.